Hey folks, welcome back. I tell you what, it's been a couple weeks since I've been on the air fryer. So guys, tonight we're bringing you some fried chicken tenders on the Emeril 360 air fryer. Let's get going. Okay, I got roughly a little over 2 pounds of just chicken tenders I picked up at the local market. And over here I got just some plain all-purpose flour, and I got just a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic left over here. I need to make some more, I know. I'm just going to add it to that for a little extra seasoning. Just got a little egg wash here. Over here I just got some of that Kentucky Kernel Seasoned flour. It's pretty good. It's not Kentucky Fried Chicken by any stretch, but it's still pretty good. Just mix up our flour with the salt, pepper, garlic. Just to show you what we're doing here. Just dipping it in the flour. Little dredge. I know all about that wet hand, dry hand, but it usually doesn't last very long with me. Into the egg wash. Then over here to my kernel. Get some up here. I'm just gonna bread this up. Well, lay it in our pan, let that chill for a bit. I'll show you one more. I'm not going to bore you with the whole details of everything here. In the egg wash. In our batter. You got one of those shaker things, that's fine too, or you could just put your batter in a bag. It all works. Alright, I'll finish these up and get back to you. Alright guys, I got some non-stick cooking spray. I'm going to spray down one side of these. Just to give a little coat. I'm going for a little shine on these. I'm also going to spray my crisper tray, so we hopefully don't get any sticking. And I'm going to see how many we can get in here. Face these guys down. Tray number 1. I'm gonna spray these guys on the other side. Just a little oil. And do the same with the second tray. I promise you, that's not a lot of oil. Perfect. Let's give these a spray. Hey guys, let's get this thing switched over to air fryer so I can go the right direction here. I don't think it shows up real good on my screen, but we're gonna try it here. Set on air fry. Let's try a temp. I'm gonna lower this down. Oh. I'm gonna cook this at about 370, and we're gonna start out at 30 minutes. We'll probably check it before then. Get her heated up. Alright, we are heated up. These guys in here. Check back in a bit. Okay guys, we're roughly 15 minutes in here. I'm going to pause this and I'm just going to rotate the trays. Looks like we're coming along nicely. This one on top. Move this to the bottom. I don't know why. I really don't know that it matters. That's what we're doing. Hey guys, I'm gonna pause this. We're over 20 minutes in, and I just want to check for temps. That's all I'm doing here. We're very close to done here up on top. I'm gonna crank up the heat just a little bit, and I'm gonna see if I can crisp them up a little bit. We're very close. I'm gonna kill this. I'm gonna turn up the heat. I'm gonna go up to 400, and I'm gonna lower the time down to like 10 minutes. I'll check them, just keep an eye on them. Alright, I want to get some temps because I think we are about there, folks. There's some really good color there. I like that. Yes, we're done. I'm going to pull these off. A little overdone over there. Alright. Hopefully they're not too dried out. We'll see how they taste. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's give this a taste. Got a nice little golden, a little bit. Could have been a little bit darker, but chicken's done. We temped that out. I was scared to get it too much further, so give this thing a taste. Guys, that is good. That breading, slightly dry, drier than what I wanted, but it's not bad. I see some juices in there, so not bad at all, guys. That Kentucky Kernel Seasoning, I've used that before. It's really good. No, it's not equivalent to KFC, but it's pretty good. So let me try a little barbecue sauce, guys. I got just used this before. I got some of this Jim Beam Bold and Spicy left in the fridge, and I pulled some of that out. Always good with barbecue sauce. I'm not making a mess. Excellent, guys. Give that a try or something similar. Use your own seasonings. You're gonna see me use a lot of different store-bought seasonings. I'll show them to you as I get them and doing different things. So, guys, thank you so much. Appreciate you stopping by and joining us. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, especially hit that like button for us, so it helps us out a lot. So, guys, till next time, I'll see you on the next video. God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.